Hey y'all, so I am at my getaway spot for like 2.5 days here in Marietta, South Carolina, which is just right near Greenville, South Carolina. I actually found this place on the app called Hip Camp, and it's actually really nice, just right beside a creek. So I'll be back. I think that's really pretty back there. But yeah, I'm looking forward to camping here. I've just got my van right over there through the trees, and that's where I'm gonna just stay parked at and sleep tonight, tomorrow, and then have me a little fire over here tonight. Looking forward to it, just chilling out. I'm gonna go hiking tomorrow, but the rest of the time I'm just gonna kind of chill here tonight, eat, and chill out by the fire, eat some candy. But y'all, funny story. So I bought like 2 things of firewood. This one I was carrying them both. I just grabbed it by the plastic right there, and I was carrying them over here from like way over yonder, like past those greenhouses. Let's see, that was about right over there, and I'm walking all the way up here. Well, down about right there, one of them broke, the plastic on it broke on that bundle. And I wasn't expecting these bundles to be this big, because I'm used to like a bundle at the state parks being like $5 or $6. No, I mean 5 or 6 pieces. No, this was actually $7 a bundle, which, I mean, that's fine, whatever. This one's still smoldering. Fire's still smoldering from the last people, so I'll probably just be able to start a fire off of that. But yeah, that thing broke on me, and I went ahead and carried this one here, and I had to go back and get that, and I about dropped these pieces again. Lord have mercy. But anyway, I'm going to head up to the van and get some groceries assorted. I just got like some snack. I didn't even get stuff that needed to be refrigerated, just because I didn't feel like dealing with that until I get that solar panel up. I'm trying to avoid using the 12-volt fridge because it uses up so much power on the what do you call it, the Jackery. So and I want to use that, and I got my solar panels to recharge the Jackery, but you know, anyways, I'll see you guys after a bit, or in a bit. So indeed, it is my trusty top ramen because I despise cooking. I mean, I can cook, just don't want to. Look guys, I know this is super unhealthy for me, but you know, sometimes it's just about convenience. That's what we're doing. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. It'll get going in a minute. It's smoldering. Nah, I'm gonna go eat. Come on, fire! Fire! Alright. Oh, goodness. I could do like the football players. Oh. This thing is slow getting going, but it's starting to smoke a lot. That's a good sign. Good sign. Oh, oh, oh my gosh, guys, look, right when I came over here. How cool is that? Yes. How about them fire making skills? Y'all didn't get to actually see me use my expert fire making skills. Just so happens, like I said earlier, this thing was already smoldering from the last guest. So, this is the product. Because normally I got like the flint starter, like it does the like the sparks or whatever, and I get the dryer lint. Yeah, I do the whole shebang. Got the little twigs under there too. Yep. Look at all this glass somebody left. Like, that's just stuff that they found around the site. Okay. Anyways, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I just got back from getting a shower and getting ready for bed because I am getting tired. Also, there were coyotes off in the distance earlier when I was walking to the shower or whatever off in the distance, and at first I thought it was like kids screaming and it was not, and I didn't even get it on video. They'll probably be back tomorrow night. But yeah, it was wild. I thought it was kids like just off in the distance screaming, like playing or whatnot, and I was like, it's too late for kids to be out on a school night, you know. And then it dawned on me, oh, that's coyotes. That's a pack of coyotes. So, ow, I'm sitting on my feet and it hurts. But anyway, also the sky is super clear here. I wish I could get it on video, but you can't see it. I've already tried it on my phone. I might try it with this tomorrow night, but it is like amazing because I mean I'm in the city where it's a lot of light pollution, and here there's not a whole lot, so you can see everything, and it's amazing. So, but I'm gonna read some Pride and Prejudice because I love this book. I actually had started reading it and then put it down, and I didn't pick it back up. So I'm going to start reading some more of it tonight, and then I'm probably going to fall asleep, and then I'll take out my contacts too because that campfire has my eyes like. And then call it night, and I will see you guys in the morning. What's up, y'all? So I slept in a bit, you know, just chilling out. That's what this whole trip was really for. But I got some trail runners. I've had these for about 3 weeks now, and I haven't used them. They're Asics, super comfy, but yeah, they're about to touch dirt for the first time. So yeah, we're going to go do a short hike somewhere. I might go see a bridge, a cool bridge, but nothing crazy, no crazy hiking today, just, you know, relaxing. I slept pretty well last night. I put another 3-inch thing on the bed, but my hips still hurt, so I got some leftover foam at the house. I'm just going to put it underneath where my hips are. That way it's a little thicker there, even more so. But the rest of, I mean, it got cold a little bit last night. But I had the same setup I did when I went to Florida. So I survived. I knew what to do. Here in the South, we get these little boogers on trees. These things are so annoying. Right here. They get everywhere. Ugh. And see, here. And when they break down, this is, you get that crap everywhere. It looks like just dust everywhere. But anyway, here is my view for the morning. I mean, y'all already kind of saw it yesterday, but not from this angle. So I'm going to finish getting ready and head out somewhere. And I'll see y'all when we get there. Bye. Y'all, so I'm sitting here getting ready to leave, and look at what flies out right here. A great blue heron. How cool is that? I'll see how close I can get, and he'll fly off. He's hard to see in this video. There he goes. So here we are at the Poinsett Bridge. It was built in 1820 and named after, let's see here, Joel Roberts Poinsett. And it was built as part of the old Buncombe Road from Columbia, South Carolina to Saluda Mountain. Let's go check it out. Getting the new babies broke in. I can definitely tell I'm in shoes that were meant for rough terrain. Ah. Look, there it is. So cool. That's a really cool piece of history right there. I was on the other side of it, looking back like this way, but you couldn't really see the bridge go through the trees. This is just a cool spot to come and hang out if you wanted to. I'm gonna go do some hiking around here, see what I can see. So I'm on my way back to my car, and I came back from up that way. But I'm like sitting here picturing back in the day when like horse and buggy would come across this thing. I don't know, do y'all do that? I do stuff like that. Especially when it was built in the time before, you know, cars and stuff, and that's just wild. I mean, just trying to picture it. I think it's pretty neat. So I am now at the Campbell's Covered Bridge. Decided to come on down here. I've never been here. I've heard of it before, but you just turn in from the road. You go up here. There's a little parking lot. There's some kids down here too, because I can hear them. There is this little toy over here. Oh, I see it. What the heck is this? Oh, it's like a little troll or something. Beats me. But yeah, there it is right out there, folks. Here is the sun. It's built in 1909. It's the last extant covered bridge in South Carolina. So apparently a movie was filmed right here, like a scene in a movie, The Day of Judgment. It came out in, I'm guessing 1980 probably, unless it was early 79 when it was filmed here, because you got to think of all the editing they have to do. But it was set in the early 1900s and included a scene of an avenging angel riding a horse out of the bridge to take justice. There it is right there. How freaking cool. I gotta have a cool thumbnail, guys. It was closed to vehicle traffic in 1984. That's what the plaque was saying. So yeah, people used to just come right through here and use it. There's a river down there. And it also didn't state when the bridge was actually built. It was built in between 1909 and 1911. And I don't know how long exactly it took between those years to build it, but I mean, I would imagine, you know, not having the resources and that we do nowadays to get things done a lot quicker. Of course, if you got a group of Amish out there that think it'd be built in a day. But who knows? I just think it's cool that something like that's, you know, still around and still in as good a condition as that thing is. So here is a lady by the name of Stella M. Atkins. She is the reason that the bridge has been preserved all these years, and her daughter ended up selling the bridge and the acreage to the Greenville County Recreation District for all of us to enjoy to this day. I thought this was neat. Little chair made out of stone, rocks, whatever. There's another little bench. It's a neat little area. This is actually where their house used to be. It actually burned down in a fire in I think it was 2001. Let's see. Yeah, in 2001 the house burned down, and it was all right here. Back up, you got the land, the walkway. It's up here. It's the front steps. And this is the picture of it right here. I'm gonna get my shadow out the way. So apparently there used to be a well that used to sit right here. That used to sit right there. Because I was comparing the background with this photo. Don't know what happened to it, but if you look closely though, you can still see, you can see all the water coming up. It might just be a spring fed, obviously, but yeah, I don't know what happened to the well. What's up, y'all? So I got back to the campsite about 5-ish or so, something like that. I actually met the host of the place I'm staying at. Him and his daughter came by to do some work. They're actually setting up a new campsite a little bit further down from where I'm staying at. And I got to meet him. Super nice guy. He actually fixed my water because my water wasn't working and I didn't even say anything. He just happened to come out and be like, hey, you know, I'll fix this. I was like, that's fine, you know, totally cool, whatever. Just been out here listening to music and talking to a friend and enjoying the fire. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm still not sure 100% what time I need to be out of here tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep in a little bit, probably till at least 9, and then head out. I'm gonna go find maybe possibly a hike. I know I said earlier that I was definitely gonna do a hike tomorrow, but I don't know. It just depends on how I feel. I'm so relaxed right now. Like, I'm just loving it. It's so peaceful out here. It's quiet. Other than the nearby traffic, which doesn't bother me. I live on a busy road back home anyway. So totally cool. But yeah, enjoying it. It's been a nice, just relaxing, laid back trip so far, and looking forward to the next one. Next little getaway I get. Not sure when that'll be. I am planning on working on my van when I get back home this week. Well, not when I get back home. I gotta go to work Friday, Saturday, and then I'm off Sunday. And so I think I'm gonna start working on the little table inside. I think that'll be cool. But anyway, I am going to enjoy this fire for the rest of the night until I am ready to go to sleep, and then call it a night. And I will see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you're having a great day so far. Let's see, it's Wednesday today, April 16th, right? Yeah, April 16th. So anyway, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Or see you later. Well, y'all, it's the next day. Time to leave. I will definitely stay here again if I ever am coming back this way, and I want to stay overnight. I enjoyed it. It's quiet. I was only one out here last night. Some people on down the night before, but yeah, it's very quiet, peaceful. Would recommend. Y'all, I am back in Rock Hill. I didn't do anything else. I just came straight home. I just kind of wanted to get my van cleaned out, and I went for a walk a second ago, and now I'm gonna clean my van out, get ready for tomorrow and Saturday at work. So y'all can watch me clean out my van. True story, guys. So yesterday when I was getting ready to leave and do the bridge thing or whatever, I had this, like, I was going to leave this at the campsite, so I had it set up. Well, I go to back out of the spot and I hit the table with the van, and I've been all to pieces. It's no good. It was a cheapie. I'm not worried about it, but I thought it was funny. Yeah, I actually like that table. but it's no good now. I tried to bend it back. I think it can't. I tried to bend it back, but it didn't work out too well, so yeah, that's that. Alright, back to cleaning out. Thought y'all might like that story. These are the bomb. Got her charging with the solar panels. Well, I got it all cleaned out. I need to vacuum still, but I'm not gonna worry about that because I'm gonna work on the thing here on Sunday. Make another mess with the wood and everything, got dirt, tracking dirt in it again, so we'll do all that later. Well, yep, got her all ready to go. I got the other box that was sitting there. I still got to finish emptying it out in the house, but other than that, everything's good to go. Just waiting on the Jackery to finish charging, and we'll have it set and ready to go for the next trip. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!